Hopefully it's focused. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing.
Don't laugh at me.
I'm not laughing.
You're laughing.
I'm laughing.
He's laughing. Okay. Greetings, friends. Today I am joined with my boyfriend.
Hello.
And we are currently on a drive to a city 2 hours away to go pick up a dog for me mom for Christmas. I told her she's getting a present today, but she's got no idea what it is. What?
The English accent.
She's already got one Boston Terrier who I'm sure is not going to be pleased that he's getting a sister, but he's going to have to deal with it. But she just loves Boston Terriers, and she's in 2 Facebook groups dedicated to them. So I got her one, and we're gonna see how this goes.
I didn't say anything during the drive, but my mom actually had 2 types of cancer a few years ago. She experienced surgical complications, and we really didn't know what was going to happen for a while. I traveled 2 hours to get this pup in order to see her smile, even with what she's been through.
Close. Okay. All right. Say hi, Dante. Okay. Come on in. Come on in. Close your eyes.
Those eyes better be closed.
Close. Okay. Come here. Nope.
No.
You can't.
Okay.
Okay. So just kneel
Ouch.
down.
I love you, Dante. My eyes are shut.
Sit down.
Okay.
Close those
Sit down, Mama.
Open.
Oh, it is a puppy.
Her name is Rosie. She's just under a year old. Dante and her already met.
Yeah. They're just really well with each other.
Oh my goodness. That's okay. Don't be
She's not the one that's scared.
Yeah, I think Dante's probably more afraid.
They met. They're great with each other so far. If not, Dante's a little scared.
Yes.
Not a puppy. I couldn't say it was a puppy.
Oh, scary. Oh, you don't have a tail.
I know.
Dante, come here, baby. You're such a good boy, Dante. I can't believe you're not killing it. You're okay. Oh, hi. Hi, you can roll over. You're a good girl. Are you a good girl? Yes. Oh, is she like, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, come to me. Yes, you're fine. You can keep coming back. I'm not going to raise my hands because that seems to scare you. Here, let me go down.
Good boy.
Rosie, come here, baby. Come here. Do you like it better with me down here so you're not so intimidated? Oh.
She does that, and if you just saw, she'll lean in and kiss you.
She'll like do like a quick little jump with her mouth.
She tried to do it to Dante, and Dante was not pleased.
Dante thinks
Dante,
she's trying to
come
buy
here.
new family, new
Hurt
house.
you. I will be
Driving for
so
2 hours.
Nice to you.
Actually,
That
I'm
one
driving home.